Hello friends, welcome to my channel Technical Arco, myself Arnab Kundu. Today I will discuss a important topic which is so much popular in our digital document is concerned. One is electronic signature and another is digital signature. It seems that both are same but not like that. Two different signature are used in our digital world, but they are so much different. Okay, so today I will discuss these two different matter of our digital document is concerned. Okay, so go to the computer screen. I will discuss elaborately what are the differences between this digital signature and electronic signature and what are these two. Okay. So friends, today I will discuss the two topic which is very much interesting. One is digital signature and another is electronic signature. Okay. Somehow we have some confusion. So I will clear whatever the confusion you have. Okay. So at first we should know what is digital signature. A digital signature is a mathematical technique used to validate the authenticity and integrity of a message, software or digital document, right? It is the digital equivalent of a handwritten signature or stamped seal, but it offers far more inherent security, right? A digital signature is intended to solve the problem of tampering and impersonation in digital communications, right? Digital signatures can provide evidence of origin, identity, and status of electronic documents, transactions, or digital messages, right? Signers can also use them to acknowledge informed consent. Okay. In many countries, including the United States, digital signatures are considered legally binding in the same way as traditional handwritten document signatures, right? A digital signature is a mathematical scheme for verifying the authenticity of digital messages or documents, right? Digital signatures employ asymmetric cryptography, right? Digital signatures are a standard element of most cryptographic protocol suites and are commonly used for software distribution, financial transactions, contract management software, and in other cases where it is important to detect forgery or tampering, right? Digital signatures are based on public key cryptography, also known as asymmetric cryptography, right? Using a public key algorithm such as RSA, two keys are generated, creating a mathematical linked pair of keys, one private and another is public key, right? Now, what are the benefits of digital signatures? Security is the main benefit of digital signatures, right? Security capabilities embedded in digital signatures ensure a document is not altered and signatures are legitimate, right? Security features and methods used in digital signatures include the following. And what are that? Personal identification numbers like passwords and codes, asymmetric cryptography, checksum, cyclic redundancy check, certificate authority validation, trust service provider validation, cost saving and also time saving, right? Now we talk about what is electronic signature and how it differ from digital signature, right? An electronic signature, or we can say e-signature, is data that is logically associated with other data and which is used by signatory to sign the associated data. This type of signature has the same legal standing as a handwritten signature, right? An e-signature or electronic signature is a legal way to get consent or approval on electronic documents or forms, right? It can replace a handwritten signature in virtually any process Okay, an e-signature or electronic signature is a legal way to get consent or approval on electronic documents or forms. Okay, an e-signature, which is known as electronic signature, is a digital version of a traditional pen and ink signature, right? An electronic signature is a broad term for any type of signature in electronic format as defined by the EU regulations on e-signatures. An electronic signature refers to data in electronic form which is attached to or logically associated with other data in electronic form and which is used by the signatory to sign, right? An e-signature or electronic signature is a legal way to get consent or approval on electronic documents or forms. It can replace a handwritten signature in virtually any process, right? An e-signature or electronic signature is a legal way to get consent or approval on electronic documents or forms, right? E-signatures can be used in the field of sales and marketing, hiring, and legal cases, right? Electronic signature is a digital form of a wet link signature which is legally binding and secure, but it does not incorporate any coding or standards, right? It can be a symbol, image, process attached to the message or document to recognize the identity and to give consent on it, right? When we need to only verify the document, we use electronic signature. The validation of electronic signature is not performed by any trusted certificate authorities or trust service provider, right? So it is not usually authorized, right? Now just compare between digital signature and electronic signature. Okay, so in case of digital signature, uses an algorithm and cryptographic process to validate a sequence of data to verify the origin of a signature and authenticity of a document. But in case of electronic signature, uses electronic sounds, symbols, or processes attached to or associated with a contract or record to verify the origin of a signature. In case of digital signature, must be issued by a certificate authority, but in case of electronic signature can be any electronically applied signature. Okay, in case of digital signature, it is a type of electronic signature, but in case of electronic signature is a broader term that encompasses digital signature in its definition. But in case of digital signature, provides cryptographic proof of the authenticity and integrity of a document and signer's signature. But in case of electronic signature, confirms a signer's intent to sign a document but does not always provide proof of a signer's identity or the document's integrity, right? Now we talk about another related topic which is very much common, which is signature block. What is signature block? A signature block is a personalized block of text automatically appended at the bottom of an email message, Usenet article or forum post, right? An email signature is a block of text that automatically appears at the end of an email message. It is used to provide recipients with your contact details such as your name, job title, phone number, and email address, etc. So just here provide my name, designation, the organization name, and some mobile number, email ID, and website, right? Now if we summarize between digital signature and the electronic signature, then we can say we live in a technology driven world where it is becoming quite a norm to send important documents in an electronic format, right? In such scenarios, it is important to have proper knowledge regarding online signature and understand important aspects related to digital signature versus electronic signature. So that we can secure documents more efficiently, right? No doubt the purpose of both overlaps each other. That is, authentication of a digital document by signature. Digital signature is more preferable compared to an electronic signature. Okay, I hope you have understood today's topic. For more videos, keep watching my channel Technical Arcane. I hope that you have understood today's topic. For more videos, keep watching my channel Technical Arcane. Thank you and bye bye.